Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to elevate your space, you're in the right place. Have you ever walked into a high-end hotel or a designer showroom and wondered why it feels so expensive? It's rarely about the price tag of the furniture. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the designer secrets that will make your home look like $1 million without actually spending it. The biggest mistake most people make? Buying furniture that's too small. In a luxury space, scale is everything. If your rug is too tiny, your room looks cramped. Swap it for a larger one that sits under all your furniture legs. It grounds the room and creates an expansive, high-end feel. Remember, when in doubt, go bigger. Think of lighting as the jewelry of your home. Standard builder-grade flush mounts are the fastest way to make a room look cheap. Replace them with a statement chandelier or a sculptural pendant. And here is the real pro secret: layer your lighting. Never rely on just the big light. Mix in floor lamps and warm-toned LED strips and bookshelves to create that signature designer glow. Luxury is as much about what you don't see as what you do. Surfaces covered in small knickknacks feel busy, not expensive. Move toward curated clusters. Instead of 10 small candles, use one oversized coffee table book and a single, architectural vase. Deep clean your surfaces and let the architecture of your home breathe. A room that's all one texture feels flat. High-end designers mix materials to create visual weight. Pair a matte velvet sofa with a sleek marble coffee table, or a chunky wool throw against a leather chair. That contrast between soft and hard, matte and shiny, is what creates that sophisticated, multi-dimensional look. If you want an instant wow factor, look at your curtains. The secret? High and wide. Hang your curtain rod as close to the ceiling as possible, not just above the window frame. This draws the eye upward and makes your ceilings feel 10 feet tall. And always make sure your drapes kiss the floor. Creating a luxury home isn't about how much you spend, it's about the intention you put into every corner. Pick one of these tips to start with this weekend, and watch your space transform. If you found these secrets helpful, hit that subscribe button for more design breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.